Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will solve another machine problem that will count the number of money bills using TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So we have here, write a program that will count how many 1,000, 500, 200, 150 and 20 bills based on Philippine money currency denomination in the amount of 10,950. So we have here the code, series of comments, var EMT stands for amount 10,950, var given amount underscore amount EMT, and then we have several variables that I initialize with 0, thousands, 500, 200s, 150 and 20s. So the formula is thousands equals EMT divided by 1,000. EMT equals EMT modulus 1,000 if there is no remainder. The same thing with 500, 200s, 100s, 50, amount, 20s and amount. And then we display the value here. We are using Matplotlib not to display here. So the given amount, that is 10,950. We have here number of 1,000, 500, 200, 150 and 20 and the program. As I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us go to our Visual Code. Okay, so let us go with the terminal window, new terminal, to execute the program. So TSC TypeScript compiler index.ts for TypeScript. Let us wait for a while the compilation process took place. Okay. Sorry. The file name is money.ts. Let us try again the code, tsc money.ts. Let us wait for a couple of seconds for the compilation process being performed. Okay, node to run money.ts. Okay, so we have here display report, the given amount 10,950, the number of 1,000 is 10, number 501, 202, 50 is 1, and the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on count the number of money bills using TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.